it's Sandra, and it's my favorite time of the month again, and that is my giveaway. So before I show you what I'm going to give away, I want you to know the rules of the giveaway. The giveaway winner is going to be announced on Friday, November the 29th, after 5 p.m. And you have until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to put enter in the comments. And I'll pick a winner on that Friday, and whoever wins needs to email me at nailstampology@gmail.com, and I will send the winnings out. Okay, so this time I decided to give away everything that I'm giving away, which has been the case for the last couple giveaways, is Maniology. Oh, nope, that's not true. Is it Maniology? Yeah, it's all no, it's not. There's one piece that isn't Maniology. So, and I'm sorry, but I know Halloween's over, but I still have some Halloween plates I want to give away. So the first one that I want to give away is this UberChic Halloween 10. And I think this is a really cute Halloween plate. And I think I showed you guys this at one point, but it's got all kinds of cool things on here. It's got these signs, which is really why I bought it. And this little shelf I think is cute. It's got the heart with the different sayings in it that you can put in. Spiders, spider webs, bones, skeletons. It's really got a lot of stuff. Some hands on here, a jar with an eyeball in it, some more cool spiders. We got Frankenstein and the mummy down here, a little dinosaur. So I think it's really a cool plate. Oh, and here's a little frog jumping off a pumpkin and a witch's hat and a broom. And here's a pumpkin with some cool faces in it. So it's really cool. Really like it. And the other thing I'm going to give away is this Maniology. This came out of the box of Night, and it is the acrylic nails in the, like I call it, blood red. They're very pretty. I'm going to give those away. And then the last thing I'm going to give away is this cool, this again was from the box of Night, and this is the plate holder. So here you can put a bunch of plates in there and keep them safe. So those are the three things that I'm giving away. So remember, all you have to do is put enter in the comments, get your enter in before Friday, November 29th at 5 p.m. Eastern time. And don't forget, you must be a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, whoever wins, if you're not a subscriber, I go through and I just pick another winner. And that's it. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.